Hi everybody, Kathy from Kathy's Outdoor Adventure. I'm a little nervous about that. Last time I tried to do this, she knocked my whole camera over, so we'll see how this goes. This is Corona. That was her name before the coronavirus. Today I'm here to do a 300 subscriber. I am at 299, so as soon as I get one more subscriber, I am going to do a giveaway. So I thought, since I do a lot of hiking and kayaking and snowshoeing, and you probably always see me in most of my videos like this, hiding my face just because these keep me really warm when I'm out. It keeps my neck warm, it protects me from the sun. So I thought it'd be only fitting that I give away 3 buffs for 300 subscribers. For each 100, I thought I'd give away a buff. So they will come like this. The only thing I ordered more, and I'm not going to get them probably till the end of April because with all the slowdown, but I am going to pick next week. I think I'll do it on Sunday because I'm off on Sunday. I will pick, if I have 1 subscriber by then, which I think I will, I will pick 3 people out of the comments, and I will do it where I pick a number out of a hat. I'll number all the comments, put everyone's name or pull someone's name out or whatever. So you have till next Sunday to subscribe and leave a comment down below. If you leave a comment down below, I'm going to pick people out of there. They're really pretty. I don't know which ones I'm going to get in the mail, but like, here's one I wear a lot. I think this is my favorite just because it's so bright. But yeah, they're kind of fun. You can wear them, some women, you can wear them up on your head if you want when you're hiking. You can wear them around your neck. I also have men's colors just in case a man wins. So I really appreciate all of you, and it's just my way of thanking you. I thought I'd give you some history real quick on my channel. I started it in 2018 because I do so much traveling. I go to Alaska, Africa, Ecuador, we go to States, we camp a lot, I hike, I kayak, and I thought it would be really fun to share what I do. So I thought it would be kind of fun to have a channel to just share with my family and my friends so people can watch us as we travel, because we want to be full-time in a year. And it was a way that people could see where we were going and what we do. I also wanted to post just to encourage people to get outside. I'm older and I'm not in the best of shape, so if I can do it, I feel maybe I could encourage other people that don't think they can do it, that they can do it. And I wanted to encourage. That's my main thing for my page, I think, or my channel, is I really want to tell everyone you can do it. If you just start with walking up your street, and then maybe the next week you add 2 blocks, and then maybe you get to 1/4 of a mile, and then maybe you can do a mile. That's how I started. I think I'm up to like 6 miles now. I do 9-10 mile hikes, but they're a little more challenging for me. So that was my main goal. So I have my daughter trying to photobomb me in the background. Just come on over. Come on over. So I actually got sidetracked there a little bit. I started in March of 2018. I posted my first video and didn't come back for 2 years. And then about 4 months ago, I was starting to talk to people on Instagram. The RV community was really encouraging me to do this because it's something I really want to do. I just love it. I have so much fun sharing. So I posted my first little trailer, which I need to redo, but I'm going to wait on that until I get a little bit better, because I'm a little nervous on the camera still. So I want to wait till I'm a little bit better to redo that. But and then about 2 months ago, I think, what was the date? February 11th, I had 12 subscribers, and I came into a live with Camper Life, Will, and Blue Wave Odyssey, Bob. And from there, I started meeting amazing people, and I have really became really good friends with these people that I look forward to seeing and talking to every day. And now I'm up to 299, so look at me go. And I just need to thank everyone, not only them, but everybody in this community. Each one of you brings something to the table that I just love, and I am so thankful for all of you, and I can't wait to meet more of you. So that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to do a giveaway again. It's going to be a week from today. The date's going to be right here. It's going to be April the 5th is what I'm giving away. I have one right now, so this is actually one of them that I will be giving away. It's a pretty blue. It'll go with pretty much anything. So that will be the first one I give away. And then when I get the other two in, what I'll do is I'll probably just say, when I do on the 5th, Sunday, April 5th, I will put everyone's name that leaves a comment below here on a piece of paper. I'll tear them all up, I'll throw them in a bowl, and I'll do it live, or not live, but I'll do it on a video so you can see that I'm doing it fairly. And I'll pull up one, I'll say this is the one I'm giving away now. I'll pull out a name, and then I'll show who wins it. That way it's fair for everybody. So good luck. Appreciate all of you. If you enjoy my videos, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can see whenever I upload any of my videos. I did want to do a quick shout out to my girl at Meant to Be RVing, Teresa. She is amazing to me. She has helped me so much and have been so supportive, and I just wanted to thank her for that. Also, RV on the Wave side, Donovan, he's been very helpful with giving me tips on what I need to do to make my channel better. There's so many people. I will leave some links below of some of these people that do go live. So if you are not connected with the RV community, go watch some of their lives. You will meet some amazing people. I know I have. Until next time, I love you all. Talk to you later.